Hey guys, here I am once again doing another truck update video, and as you see I was just tightening up my battery because I had a loose connection, which I normally run into sometimes with this truck. And everything's been working pretty good on this truck. This is a truck update video on my 98 Chevy C1500 Silverado with the V8 5.7 liter or 350 V8. Let me shut the door so the battery don't run down from that dome light. And yeah, she's a little dirty because of the weather being so bad where I live. Yeah, I had cleaned this truck the last time in November because I was getting it fixed, bringing it to a mechanic and getting some work done to it. I was going to drain some of that water out because my truck likes to collect water from bad weather, trust me, but I'm amazed these door handles on the outside of this truck aren't broken even, or not. Actually, these are in real good shape. You can tell these handles don't even have no cracks, and these are like the original handles. My 97 Z71 had handles that loved to break on the outside, and they were like the original handles. I'll go inside and show you, talk about a few things because it's a little cold outside. As you see, I got my truck inspected recently back in November, which I've already mentioned. Still at 129,000 miles, almost at 130,000. Once I get another 100 more miles to add to do an oil change, which I gotta get a whole new oil filter and get the recommended oil from my mechanic. Which I'm probably going to use some Valvoline oil, or Valvoline, or however it's pronounced. But nothing really changed on the inside so far. You can see that I did a little work back in October to this rear speaker. I had to pop this panel back off and re-tighten up the wires so I can have both speakers working, because somehow the wiring on that side came loose on that speaker right there on the driver's side, but it's working much perfect now. And then when I had to take that top panel off right here, I'm gonna put my hand at for the second time, and that piece right there behind the back seat, I'm amazed that these trim pieces didn't break. Because I did it so gently where it won't break or snap whenever you take them off, because these plastic pieces on these trucks are very brittle. But other than that, I was going to talk about the mechanical things and the important things. I actually got the heater working again, which I replaced the thermostat and the coolant, so then I actually got the radiator flushed. And yeah, I turned the volume down for copyright reasons. Well, let me start it up and show you how hard the heater blows. Should get warm up in a second. And I'm just doing one of my usual crank up, because I usually crank the truck pretty much every week to go bring the trash to the road when I'm not working, because can't let it sit in the yard, and I move it around and Go to my client's house. He's starting to blow. That's a good thing. At first I didn't have to change out the actuator, which is good. But yeah, that's enough fooling around. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut her off. Save a little battery and don't burn up a lot of gas. Because I had filled this truck up a week ago. Not a week ago, like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I noticed something on the out when it normally runs. I don't want to make this video so long because it's like at 6 minutes right now. Normally when it's running, while it's idling, or I notice it's making like some vibrating noise coming from the fuel pump, which my mechanic was telling me that could mean that the fuel pump is on its way out. And one thing about changing the fuel pumps on these is a pain in the neck, I heard. You gotta actually lift the bed up to get access to the fuel pump, which is right through this gas tank. I heard, and even a lot of people was saying it on YouTube. I noticed something on the Tahoes and the Suburbans and the Yukons. They got it somewhere like underneath the whole body, in the easier spot where you can access it. So yeah, this is a little update video for you guys. I know it's not the greatest video for now, but hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.